My experience with CIE Tours is always wonderful. They really take care of everything that we need to do on the trip. They leave nothing out whatsoever. They make sure that our experiences are things that we would want to experience even though we didn't know them coming to the country. So there's nothing left to chance, and we do get surprised quite a bit that the little things that they think of that we would have never thought of. We don't have to think at all. We just have to sit back and enjoy the beautiful country of Ireland.